So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. I'm going to start off inside the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 47,166. We have a digital readout for the speedometer directly above that. You can change that information for various different things. So there are different menus available, firstly, as you can see. And then within each menu, lots of different options as well. And they are all accessed and changed using the buttons over here. We have voice activation for your phone, stereo controls on the left hand side, and cruise control on this stalk just here. Into the center is where you'd pair up your phone, amongst other things, and that I'm doing from this menu. Of course, you can do it via the highlighted tabs down either side. So radio, for example, you can access there. And you can see we have DAB, FM and AM radio available. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so in a number of ways. And they include Bluetooth audio. So once you paired your phone, you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. We've also, depending on the phone you have, got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available as well. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. Air conditioning is off, back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set just here. We have 2 USB inputs and some storage. We have a 5-speed manual gearbox. Down here, you can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. You can also turn your parking sensors on and off from here also. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.